Hey guys, so this is my YouTube channel. It's a second or third or whatever you want to call it channel. I like to make music and then it's just something I enjoy, and I figured that I would show you guys some of my recent stuff. If you like it, I guess feel free to check it out. So that was not intentional. Why are they all refreshing? So this first track was done as a diss track in a diss track war. Basically, the recipient is very proud of his Irish heritage, so I thought instead of doing a rap, I would do this. And I actually enjoyed it. So I will show you guys, I'll show you guys now.
With his granny swept into the tide. The doula men would watch him swim and swept up by the night. He found a gate to the gentleman.
So my voice broke there a little bit.
Thought he smelled. The gentleman started mocking him, and they all gave him hell.
I think that's enough of that one. So that's the vibe of the first one. Then I will show you Elena. Now Elena is a very interesting track because basically I had a spam email sent to me. So basically the person who did it was writing in masculine German but claiming to be a 49-year-old woman named Elena from Russia, and they wanted me to be their spouse. So I basically, yeah, I gave Dada their information, and Dada has had a running joke about them being lovers. So
there once was a girl named Elena. Her heart captured by Dada the brave. Her ebony hair, skin white as snow, sitting upon a grave. She sat upon her old king. The boy listened while she sings. You better go get me a ring, or you'll end up just like him.
I make the background music too, so
Tog rock 'em dead, 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 tog rock 'em dead. Helena is on 'em dome, Helena is on 'em dome, Helena is on 'em dome, Helena is on 'em dome.
so that's that one. And then this one I made the other day. I just wanted to play around with it. So this one is not related to those other two. the other two are related to each other, but this one is basically saying, good morning, good night, I love you, I'm fine, you know, or everything's fine, you know. So So that's that one. And then this one I was experimenting with a lot, and I actually really like how this turned out. So this is a combination of the last two songs, but remixed slightly. So yeah. So I actually really like this one. Like, it might sound narcissistic that I actually legitimately like this style of music and these ones. I mean, it's not for everybody, but as long as I enjoy it, feel free to go check out that channel. You'll see some funny meme music too if you look at the old stuff, so